Welcome to another episode of the Tech Wizard series, where you can find how to process the technical information, tips and shortcuts to take full advantage of the capabilities available with your Panasonic device. This is Vasanta Thana. I am a lead software engineer with Panasonic Connect. In this episode, I am going to talk about how to set the external display as main display with TOUGHBOOK 55. Disclaimer: the customer is liable for any damage to the system or replacement component while servicing the unit. In this event, the customer will be responsible for any and all charges related to the repair of the system by the Panasonic National Service Center. I am going to talk about how to set the external display as the main display. So, right now I have TOUGHBOOK 33 connected the external display through the video interface. So, I am going to right click on the main unit for the display settings. So, I have the display settings displayed. So, here I am going to select the main monitor is show the display only on 2. So, I am going to keep the changes. So, I can see the main display on the external unit. So, scroll it down and all the way bottom under the multiple displays there is a check box for make this as the main display. So, select this check box. So, this way the external display will be the main display compared to the unit actually. So, this is how we have to make external display as the main display. Thank you for joining this episode of the Tech Wizard series. If you have any questions, you can contact Panasonic support at 1-800-laptop5 or email us at toughbook@us.panasonic.com.